I love driving ever since I was a kid. I just really connected with the tyres, you know. Michelin, Pilot Sport 4Ss, tread patterns, compounds, performance versus durability. I just found myself really interested in them. Bridgestone, stone in the right area? Maybe. Ooh. When I found myself working at a tyre store, fitting them for a living, I think I actually worried my girlfriend. She said I was too tyre focused and that I should get out. I don't think she meant like this, in a van with Mobile Tyre Shop. No need for the radio, just listening to the tyres. I understand people may not be as into tyres as me, but I suppose that's why people like me exist. You know, to help. I'm Daniel, and I'm a Mobile Tyre Shop technician, and I'm proud of it. Yep, thought so.